Now, there is our next question for you that is related to your fill in the blanks. So, first of all, the first one is for you, the specific feature that enables an living organism to live in its habitat. What do you know about that specific features? These specific features are known as adaptation. Yes. So, these specific features, these special features which enable our living organisms to live in its habitat. Now the next one, if the animals, if the living organisms they are live on land. They are live on land means there the grasslands are there, forests are there, mountain areas are there, polar regions are there, means they are living in which habitat? They are living in terrestrial habitat. Okay, so terrestrial habitat means living organisms that live on land area. And if the living organisms they are survive in water, that are known as aquatic animals or that are known as aquatic habitat. So aquatic habitat means the animals and plants that survive in water. They have specific feature according to water. Now, if we were talking about the components of the environment, so as you know, there are two components. So your next fill up is related to that. That is the abiotic components. Means your soil, water, air. That are the abiotic components of an environment. And living organisms like the plants are there, animals are there, microorganisms are there, birds are there, insects are there. They are the biotic components of an environment. And this is the last one for you, stimuli. Stimuli means when any living organism shows response to an you can say any situation or any sudden action. So it is that stimuli means when there is a response to any action, that is the stimuli. So I think that is clear to you. Best of luck. Now we will discuss next one, that is their find non-living things. Yes, we have to find out the non-living things. Non-living things are those which do not need air, which do not need water, which do not show the process of respiration, excretion, etc. So let us try to find out. So first one is your hammer. So what do you think? Hammer is a living or non-living? Yes, it is a non-living. Now mushroom. Mushroom, it is a living thing. Swing machine, it is a non-living. Radio, it is a non-living thing. Boat, it is a non-living thing. Aquatic plants. Plants, as you know, this is a living thing. And earthworm is also a living thing. So if we were talking about, then non-living things are hammer, swing machine, radio, and boat. These are the non-living things, and the mushroom, aquatic plants, and earthworm are living things. Okay, now the next one is for you. Out of these objects, they are once a part of the living beings. For example, the first one is butter. Butter. Actually, butter it is a dairy product, or you can say it is a milk product. Butter we will obtain from the milk, and the milk we will obtain from the animals. So once they are part of living beings, yes. So butter, once it is a part of living being, that are the animals. Now the leather. Leather means it is we will find the leather from animal skin. It is obtained from the animal skin. So what do you think? It is once a part of the living being? Yes, because it is we will obtain from the animals. Now soil. Soil. How the soil is formed? Soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. It is formed by the weathering of rocks. So what do you think? Rocks are the living one or non-living? It is a non-living. So soil is not a part of the living being because it is obtained from the weathering of rocks. Now wool. Wool we will obtain from the animals. Yes, it is the fleece of the animals, like the sheep is there, goat is there. So wool we will obtain from the animals, means it is once a part of the living beings. Now next one is electric bulb. So what do you think? Electric bulb is obtained from any living beings? No. The answer is no. Now next one is cooking oil. Cooking oil, yes, you are right. Cooking oil we will obtain from the animals as well as from the seeds of the plant. So they are obtained either from animals or from the plant. So it is a part of the living beings. Apple. So from where do we got the apple? Apple. It is a fruit of a tree. It is a part of a tree. So it is a part of a plant. So apple we will obtain from the living beings. And then last one is for you, that is the rubber. Rubber is also obtained from the plants. It is a plant product. So, so the objects which once a part of the living beings are butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple and rubber.